Good morning, boys and girls. A couple of you kids been having problems mastering your piano graphic, right? So I'm gonna do a little short video showing you how to do that, so you could not have any problems anymore. Okay. So number one, break up the piano graphic into two black keys, three black keys. That's number one. The first thing you need to do. Okay. After that, you go down here. That's a C. If you go to this direction, right, you got a left and then a right, that would be an E. So it follows the alphabet. You got a D here. So C, D, E. I go to the three black keys. I go down. That's an F, G. This is an A. Okay, there's no H in music. B, and back to C again. Notice you have the two black keys here. So over and over, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Now, how does that help me? It doesn't matter what song you're looking at, especially if it's all white keys. You should be able to break up the notes. The sharps and the flats are a little different. Let's go over that real quick. I'll erase all of this and show you the sharps, the flats, which are either raised or lowered of the white pitches, right? So if I take my C and I go sharp, that's a C sharp. Also has another name because it's also flat. It's a D flat as well, okay? So right here you have a D sharp and an E flat as well, okay? E sharp is F natural, right? So if you raise E up one, it's an F. If you go back, it's an E flat, right? So if I go to F and I raise it up, that's an F sharp, in addition to being a G flat. Alright, so this note is G. If I go forward, raise it a half step, this is a G sharp, in addition to being an A flat. You have an A here. If I raise that up, that becomes an A sharp, and a B lowered is a B flat. So basically you have to memorize this chart, okay? As you memorize and you play songs, it gets easier, okay? For instance, if I say, what note is this, right? I'll give you 5 seconds to answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I go to my two black keys again, break it up. All right, C, oh, that's a D. If I said, what note is this? I go to my three black keys. That's going to be an F, all right? So if you use the black keys to break up, you should be able to figure out any note, okay? I'm going to leave one answer here. Take away my graphic, which you should have. Let's see what we have here. What note is that, boys and girls? Give you 3 seconds. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4. How do I find that note? I go to my three black keys. I go down one. I look at my graph. Three black keys. Go down one. That's a B. And so forth and so on. If you go backwards, reverse, C, B, A, forward, this is an E, right? F, that's a G. Between G and the B would not be an H, it would be an A. So over and over you practice these notes, okay, boys and girls? Reach out if you have any problems. Voila!